Hello friends, welcome back to Manju Machine for Education and Training. Today we are diving into a very important networking topic, the difference between the OSI model and the TCP IP model. Okay, let's make it super easy. What are these models, guys? Do you know last we have discussed regarding the OSI model? If you come across my videos, OSI model, just you'll be remembering. If not, please go to the previous videos and go to the OSI model. Very interesting topic that is interview based questions and also like it is exam based questions as well. So the OSI model and the TCP model are both frameworks that describe how data is travel across networks, but they have some key differences. Okay, let's discuss about that, and I'll start from the basic concepts. Okay, the OSI model and TCP IP model are both frameworks that describe how data travels across networks, but they have some key difference. Okay, let's begin with some topics like let's begin with a brief introduction like this regarding the OSI model and TCP model. Let's create a table actually, two different tables regarding the differences, so that it would be really easy to understand and we will comparison tables. We'll create the comparison tables so it will be very easy to understand both OSI and the TCPM and what is the key difference between them and what are the features and when it is developed and which year it is developed, what are the layers, how many layers that they're using and what they used for and protocols dependent protocols, which protocols is different. Okay, let make in two different screens of that. Okay, so just here is a simple comparison of both the models. So remember guys, this could be also the interview based questions. Whatever topic I'm going to cover is maximum it will be the interview based questions. So you can just go through this and focus and pay attention so that you can crack the interview easily and you can answer the interview very freely. Okay. So what are the features and what is the OSI model? OSI model and TCPI model. So what are the features guys? What are the features? What is the full form open system interconnection? Okay, full form. What is the full form of the OSI model? Open systems interconnection. And what is the TCP model full form, guys? Yes, you know it very well. Great. Transmission, control, protocol, or internet protocol. Great. You are doing actually great. And developed. When it is developed, guys, when it is developed. Last topic I already discussed regarding this actually. It was developed. Who developed this one? Is ISO. What is ISO? International Organization Standard. ISO developed the OSI model. Okay, Open System Connection. It developed by ISO. And who developed the TCP/IP? It is DARPA. DAR DARPA. That is US government. Okay, guys. What is DARPA, guys? What is full form of DARPA? Yes, you're right. Is Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. They developed TCP IP model. Okay. So next, what is the topic for that TCP IP models and OSI models is year. So when it was introduced, it was introduced in 1984 OSI model, and TCPI model is 1970s, guys. It's an older version, 1970s. Okay, and how many layers were there? How many layers are there in the OSI model? It's having how many layers, guys? Yes, you know that seven layers. And TCP, how many layers, guys? Four or sometimes five also. You can tell it. Okay. So I think last voice layers I covered that application presentation session, transport network, physical data link and physical layer. If you have been go through my previous topic, everyone would have remember this. On what purpose it is used for, guys? What purpose it used for? Yes, guys. It's used for reference. OS is reference model, you can tell it. Reference and also learning these concepts of communication between two different systems, two different bands. And TCP/IP, what purpose it is used? It is a real world internet communication. Okay, and what is that protocol dependent? We'll learn the next topic is protocol dependent. No, it's not dependent on protocol. TCP/IP, yes, it's dependent on the protocol. Yeah, like as name suggests, it will be using TCP, IP protocol. So many protocols. Like we'll just cover this topic in the next session. Okay, now let's layers in both the models side by side. Okay, OSI layer, TCP, IP layer, and also examples protocols. Okay, so OSI layer. OSI layer will be like yes, everyone knows it. Yes, command tell guys, application. Yes, presentation. Welcome on for the 7th layer is application layer. 6th from the top to bottom is presentation layer. 5th is come on guys, you remember last time I explained session layer. Yes, network. Next what comes? Yes, you are correct. I'm sorry, this is transport guys. I'm just typing it wrong so that you're going to correct it when am I wrong. Okay. Next what guys? Network. Yes, you are exactly true. Next to churn is data link, and last but not least is physical. So these are the 7 layers in OSI, and in TCP layer. Just it is like application, and this is merged. So presentation and session is merged. So this is merged. This is also merged. So this application will be merged into presentation and session. will color this in different font, or else we can fill the color in different. It's better to change the font color. Yes, this one color, this both is merged, and transport is nothing but it will be transport, and network will be the internet in the TCP, and data link is network interface in the TCP. This also it will come to both will get merged network interface. So this is different color, this will be different, and this is will make it bold. Okay, or else we can color it. This is visible, difficult to visible. Transport will color in different font style, and this one is in different font because it's different in TCP IP. Okay, and this both is different. We'll change the colors here. Yes, different. Okay. So application presentation is in single, transport is transport, and network is internet in the TCP IP, OSI is data link, and physical in a TCP IP is network interface. What are the examples on this protocol? Is hypertext transfer protocol, is HTTP, FTP. There are so many examples, but I'm just mentioning only few. Later on, we can cover this entire topic regarding the protocols, SSL, JPG, MP4, video, GIF. So many things are there, and NetBIOS in the session layer, open create session, maintain session, transport. Yes, you know, right? UDP, TCP, and UDP. And this is internet is network is IP, ICMP. Lot of things are there. So network is data link is Ethernet, like MAC address learning, and also cables. Data link physical layer is cables and hubs, wires, switches, fiber cables, etc. So bottom line of this topic is like OSI is like a TCP IPE model is what powers the internet today, but the OSI model is still taught in classrooms and used in troubleshooting. So in other words, we can tell like OSI is like a full receipt book. TCP IP is the shortcut version people used to actually cook. So you can mention this way like this. So the conclusion now you can use the difference between the OSI model and the TCP IP model. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Manju Machine for more tech learning. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching till end and appreciate your patience. Please go through these videos again and again so that you can crack the interview questions easily because these are all the interview based questions, and almost all the interviews is asking for the basic questions like this for the basic fundamentals like hardware and net. Thank you and have a wonderful day.